Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video we will learn forecast rooms in detail. Aviso's forecast rooms are built to help operations, strategy and field team members align around Monday morning forecast calls. And in these rooms, we get access to forecast related AI insights specific to a region, product and other business pivots. How do we launch these forecast rooms? Let's say now. There are two ways. One way is to log into your application and on the navigation bar go to Forecast tab, and right next to your forecast you have these three tiny dots. Click on them, click on Activate Forecast Room to begin a new one, and click on View Forecast Room to join an existing one. And the other way to launch forecast rooms is from the navigation bar, click on Digital War Rooms to see a list of existing forecast rooms. And this clock icon in amber indicates that this is a forecast room. And from here you have ability to chat, you can upload your files, you can assign a to-do. You can add more members by clicking on the attendee icon on the top here. And on the right hand pane you will notice forecast related AI insights here. And right next to it you have top deals pertaining to your forecast, and you have the amount, you have the close date as well, and scroll all the way down for the op map, which will give you list of deals that are at risk along with the amount, and it also helps you with upside deals. And lastly, let's go to meeting. You can start your forecast call right from this page by leveraging the meet now option available here. You can enter the name of the meeting. You already have the participants here. You can add and invite more participants. You can record the meeting and also transcribe. You get a dedicated meeting URL along with dialing instructions. And you can leverage the schedule meet option available here. You can copy the dedicated meeting URL. You can copy the room members, and you can use your regular calendar invite for the forecast call. These calls will be recorded, and in the event where users are unable to make it to the meeting, they can listen to the recording by clicking on the play button here. They can also download the recording. You also get a smart transcription along with talk durations, talk times, and you have keywords, so you can search the transcription using the keywords here. You can listen to the transcription in bits as well. Scroll all the way down to view the entire transcription, and you can use the search box available here to see what a specific team member or your boss had said in your previous forecast call. If you have a recording already available, use the upload file option here to upload the recording for smart transcription. I hope this information was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact your customer success manager. Thank you.